I want to talk to you about how to market your YouTube show. Of course, it's a complex topic. There are entire courses devoted to YouTube marketing, so I'm just going to give a primer. But basically, there's a couple of ways
This video is brought to you by Oppie Pies Academy.
that are kind of main. See YouTube as a search engine. A lot of the content discovery there happens through search. In fact, your initial boost will often be through search, right? So you're gonna have to choose the keywords for every video, put the keywords into the title, into the description, into the keyword tags field, and then it's gonna be all about, then actually make sure that you write a long, good description. As long as you can, because YouTube does like longer descriptions for the videos in SEO, for the SEO. And then once you start ranking, you'll start getting views, you'll get more and more high, you'll get higher and higher rankings. And what you want to do is boost the views by sharing the videos on social media, all that kind of stuff. Boosting views on YouTube really helps to rank it higher. And of course, if the video is good, right? And YouTube measures the quality of a video by how long are the people watching compared to competitive videos. So if they think your video is good, they're going to start recommending your video on the recommended list. Another metric that might make them think the video is good if it has a big growth of views, right? If the views are growing rapidly. So if you're having success promoting the video on social media, or if the video is viral and people are sharing it naturally, that's gonna get your video to get that section of YouTube where people who watch this also like these videos. And so those are the two really ways that are significant long-term ways that you can get views for your video and exposure, right? And if you can pull this off for many videos, all the better. There are other ways to promote videos, but these are so big that everything else almost pales in comparison. Because if you leverage search, if you get everybody who's searching to find you, or a lot of people who are searching to find you, and then if you get Google to recommend your videos on other videos, well, that's a long-term play, right? That can happen. You can be ranking today, next month, next year, maybe in 5 years, right? So you can imagine that the number of views that you will get from that will trump anything else, because any other kind of promotion, it's a one-time promotion, right? Let's say you some big blog embeds your video, right? Well, that's gonna be great for today, tomorrow, and after tomorrow, but then the traffic will die down. So what you really want to have is videos that somehow perpetually get views on YouTube, and that way you will really grow a lot. And then of course, once people watch a lot, they'll subscribe, they'll go to your website, all that kind of good things will happen. But again, you got to focus on quality so that you can rank for SEO and get recommended by YouTube and do a lot of your own promotion. One secret thing that I use is sometimes when you get a video embedded into other sites, mainly blog posts of yours, other websites, other URLs, other domains. What that does is it actually helps you rank better in YouTube as well. So that's a little insider tip / secret kind of thing. But of course, so these are the main ways, overarching ways to promote a YouTube show. You do need more time to explain this. That's why there are entire courses on YouTube marketing. In this video, I just wanted to give the overarching large patterns, the common patterns, successful patterns for how YouTube videos, how YouTube channels become popular. So it's search, recommendation algorithm, and natural virality is also huge, but very hard. Natural virality is really hard to create. I mean, you have to be really good and talented, and it's really an art. So that's kind of it for YouTube promotion.